incredible. Back up. Holy cow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Go, just hit something. Please go fast. Oh, it's gonna hit that bomb. Oh, yeah, slow it down. Stop for a second. All right, go north, here. All right, keep going. Slow it down a little bit, it's getting strong. Slow down, stop. The edge. Look at that, look how beautiful that is.
It's coming. Are those houses right there?
Yes, that's... What town are we near? It's gonna hit the... Oh, it's gonna hit that barn. Oh boy. It already.
Yeah.
Don't panic. Barn. You got that, right?
Yeah, I did.
More strong winds. That's okay, it's just getting funneled in.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's just insulation. Just took out that house. Woo, only took out my... The whole thing in the camera, it's so big.
Yeah.
Join us.
From a freak January storm leaving a trail of destruction in Fort Myers, close-range tornado destroying an empty farmhouse, and the terror lines. It continues moving. We can see debris flying around the tornado. Several massive flares spark as the storm destroys more power lines. It eventually damage, but that ominous hum probably isn't a good sign of things to come. Baltic country of Estonia, more specifically the city of Tartu, one of 15 counties that make up the country. July was a particular
There it is!